Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about handling missing data in Pandas. Okay, so let me go ahead and open IPython. I'm going to import Pandas as PD, and I'm going to import the Excel file. This file here, this is from a SD1 API. So we're just using the table or data. I'm gonna hit enter. And then I can now say df to check the contents of the data frame. So this is now a data frame, right? And now we see that here under the device ID column, there's a empty string, and in the system IP, there is not a number, and also in the reachability column. Okay, and we can also verify the Excel file itself, right? So here, this is a empty string, and these two are empty, not a number. I mean, Pandas sees them as not a number because there's no value, even empty strings. Okay, and let's proceed with detecting missing data. So these are the methods that we can use to detect if there is missing data. So is NA. So it's just checking if there is NA in the data frame, and it says true, right? Under the system column, there is a 1 true here, and under the reachability column, there is 1 true here. And we can also use this function to see the count per column, right? So we see that system IP and reachability has NA values, or not a number. And this is the opposite of NA or SNA, not NA. Yeah, so not NA, all these are not NA, or meaning not a number or has values, right? Just the opposite of NA. Okay, so there's a way to handle hidden missing values or empty strings. So Pandas does not consider empty cells that contain empty string or only spaces as missing values by default. So we should replace them with NA to mark them as true missing values. And this is the command to do that. Let me check the data frame again. So we see that, like we said, there is an empty string under the device ID column, and there is not a number under the system IP column, and another one under the reachability column. So what this does, this command here, this will make the empty string as not available. So let's do df again. Yeah. So NA meaning not available here. NaN meaning not a number. Okay, and if we check the number of NA, we should see that there is now 1 in the device ID column. Before, it was 0, right? Okay, and this is how you delete rows. And this is the command df.drop_na using the dot method when we are just assigning the result of the expression to df_drop_na variable. And if we check, yeah, all of the rows that have NAs are now gone. And here, this means that it will only drop rows where all values are missing. So we're not going to use this one because we don't have this scenario in this example. Okay. And how do we feel missing data? So this is how we feel missing data. So let me df again. So here we see that there is missing data in the device ID, which is this, and there is missing data in the system ID, system IP, and reachability columns. So we're going to replace those missing data with unknown. Okay, so let me copy and paste this command, and let me say df field because that's the variable of the data frame. And now we see that the not available, and not a number values are now all unknown because that's what we did. So we fill the missing data, right? And now we can save the cleaned data into a file called cleaned missing data SD1 devices. And we're saying index false because we don't want to include the index. Okay, and now we see this table. So unknown, unknown, we did this, right? Unknown, so we filled the missing data with unknown. Okay, so again, these methods, SNA detects missing values, not NA detect valid values, drop NA remove missing values, fill NA replace missing values. All right, so that's how you can handle missing data in Pandas. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.